Okay, we're at 941 Eagle. 941 Eagle. There's the outside. It's a corner lot from the alley neighborhood. Pretty cool. Oh, nice home. Walking in. Nice ceramic tile.
This house is
Huh? Entry. Guest bedroom.
I'm assuming this is the master bedroom.
No, it's not. This is a guest room or kids room.
Because it has a huge bed. That's Melody. Okay, this is Did you say that's a queen or a full bed?
That looks like a full. Okay. Linen closet, I suppose. Oh, yep. And then master bedroom. More wood floors. This is a queen. Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a queen.
yeah, because the lines of it. They could get a king. 'Cause there's,
Yeah, it's got room for a king. And
they're over now.
this is very clean, well taken care of. Built in.
I know. I pulled the thing back so that did you get the video of that stuff?
Not yet.
There's
Master
somebody's
bath.
stage or something. Yeah. Kind of.
Yeah.
Ooh, big garden tub. Hi. And then there's the third bedroom. So the master is kind of between the two bedrooms.
Yeah.
It's got the spotlights up there.
You get two people in this bedroom?
Bunk bed.
Oh.
Bunk bed.
Yeah.
That's the only.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
or
because it would
maybe
be-
the other one would be the girls. The other one's
Yeah.
the same size.
This is that smaller home. It's 16, 18 square feet. So full closet here, and takes us back to the living room. So
There's
let's.
a mud room in the back.
Okay.
Laundry room.
Oh, back to the laundry room. Okay.
Yeah.
Laundry room. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Oh, this is the room that she said she can convert it back into a garage if someone wanted. Yeah. Yeah, see, takes you out to the garage. Because right now, yeah. It's a long driveway if they wanted to put in a carport. So there's a garage. It's a one car, and that room, yeah, she said she can convert it back, but it would have to be done after closing.
Let's go look at the factory.
Well, if you keep it,
So that's the.
let's put carpet down. There's a closet.
Two closets, actually.
Or put tile down and make it into a full bedroom. Because Landon's getting old enough, I think he could be separated that much from the rest.
And it's air conditioned.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this girl is so lucky, girl. Nice stuff, upgraded it.
Hey, these are the same cabinets I got. Only better condition.
Okay, I'm gonna check the backyard.